Welcome back, guys, to another one of my videos in average car mods here. So I don't have the setup on my wife's car for the windshield mount, so that's why you're gonna see me from this angle at this point. But what I'm here for is my wife's been complaining about a noise when she opens her sunroof on this vehicle. It's a tapping noise. It's annoying. I got in her car and actually was able to hear the noise right away. I mean, I drove it around the block and heard it right away. So I'm gonna open the sunroof here so you guys can kind of hear the noise. And if you guys are having the same issue with your noise with your vehicle, it's a 2016 Nissan Rogue, by the way. So this kind of video is geared towards that 2015 to 2017 Nissan Rogue, which is the same model, same body style. Maybe even the 2018s have the same type of setup. But again, just so you guys can hear this noise. Hopefully you guys can hear the noise, and if you guys can relate to it, I'm going to show you how to fix that noise. So, not sure if you guys were able to hear that. Sorry for the shaky movement with the camera. So that noise is actually because a lot of play on the sunroof. So I'm gonna show you guys how to fix that once I get back home here. Guys, so we're sitting here in front of my garage now, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I mean when the sunroof is being loose. Now, if you could take your hand and push on the top of the sunroof there, you push down on it and see how you have that gap now right there. It's gapped and it's pretty much not even. And you, of course, from the inside, you can push up on it and look how it just moves up and down. That is a simple adjustment. There is a simple adjustment for that, and it's done from the inside of the vehicle. Best way to do this is with the sunroof closed, actually. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead, and this strip right here comes right off. This is a piece of pretty much rubber plastic. This comes right off. To do that, you gotta open the sunroof slightly. So we'll start the car. We'll open it slightly, just about to that point there. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and remove this strip right there. So that comes off to the top there, just like that, and then it'll come off the bottom. Once you're able to get the piece off at the bottom there, just like that, you're gonna be able to see a bolt right in there. It's a Torx bolt. So what you're gonna need is one of these. It's a Torx screwdriver. Okay, and it's a T20. You can see that right there, T20. That's the size of them. They come T10, T20, and so forth and so on. This is what you're gonna need to make the adjustments on here. All right, guys, so I got actually my little assistant here, Gabriel, my son. He's helping me hold this camera. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna find this bolt from the bottom here. Once you're able to find that, you're gonna push up on the sunroof to make sure it's even with the body. Once it's even, just tighten down the bolt. Once it's nice and tight, you're all set. Now the sunroof won't move. There will be no play on the sunroof whatsoever. Nice and sturdy. And this just clips right in there. This will actually clip right back in here. And same thing with this top one. Pops right back in there. And you hear it snap in. There. And in there. And now it's all set. It's all ready. It won't make any more noise. The clicking noise will be gone, and that's the repair of it. So again, that was the fix. That's my assistant right there, Gabriel. Hi. Say hi, Gabriel. And if you guys have any questions, any comments, please go ahead and feel free to subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more things about simple repairs. Again, I'm in no way any type of mechanic or anything, but I do simple repairs like this. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment.